Today is her second adjustment, so we're going to show you how we're helping her out with her back pain and her upper back pain, neck pain. And relax. Oh yeah. Did you feel that all the way down? Alright. You did good though. Relax this right in my hand. I got you. Dropping my hand. There you go. Cervical spine. Yep, both sides. That's good. That's good. Okay, let's go on your tummy next. Now, see, her legs are even right now. That's great. Her feet are exactly the same there, and that tightens up just a little bit in the low back, doesn't it? Not bad, though. You can see her pelvis is shifted a little bit to the right of center, so I'm going to move it over to the left, and then I'm going to adjust her sacroiliac joints and her sacrum bilaterally. This is the left SI joint. This is the right one. And then her sacrum is the middle triangular shaped bone right in the middle. We're pushing that straight superior to inferior away from L5. And then L5 straight posterior to anterior in the Z axis. L4. And just keep breathing. There you go. There's L3. L2. There we go. And just relax and breathe out. Exhale. There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah, these crack addict fans are gonna love you. There we go. Good girl. That's all I got. Maybe one more right here. Yeah. Okay, there it is. I knew it was there. Alright. Perfect. And I bet you this feels less tight than the first one.
Yes.
Yep. Okay, so we're going to get her cervical spine now. Okay. Go ahead and there you go. That's a C3, 4. There's C5. And now I'm going to get all the way down to T1, T2 area. Right there. That'll bring her whole head and neck back up over her thoracic spine. So let's turn you on your back one more time. There we go. Scoot down this way just a little bit for me.
I didn't feel like it was from everything. Oh, shoot.
There we go. Good. Now let's slide down just a little bit more. There we go. And I'm going to have you put your arms out on the sides like this for me. No, straight out. There you go. I'm going to adjust your shoulders now. And then your clavicle where it attaches to your sternum right there. And then your anterior ribs right here. Okay, now take a deep breath in. Put all your out, relax. I'm just going to pull your stomach down through your diaphragm so you can open up your chest a little bit. Breathe easier. Good, there you go. Okay, just relax. Now, I'm going to pull your leg here, so breathe. There you go. Should have felt that all the way up, did you? That one too? You feel that all the way up into your back? Okay, good. Let's hit that face towards Joseph. Sideways. There we go. Just like that. Good girl.
I need a booba.
Ready for a nap after this, huh?
Yes.
There we go. Okay, good deal. Relax this one. Good.
Oh.
Yeah. There we go. That's it. Feel like you've been put through the ringer?
Oh, yes. I mean,
Feels better though, huh?
wow. I feel so good. It's, I mean, it hurts, but this
Hurts so good, huh? Okay, let's close your eyes again and bend your head forward and backwards for me. Yep, that's better. Okay, you're not tilted to the right near as bad. Hold that right there for me. Flare these back like this. And let me have your head here, huh? We'll bring that here, and I'm going to translate you here. Now shift your pelvis straight left like that. Hold that right there for me and look up. That right there. I got you. I won't let you fall. I haven't lost patience on the floor yet. I won't start with you. There you go. Shift your pelvis way left for me. There we go. Okay, now try that same thing again. See if this feels any smoother to you. Any easier. Did that feel better? Smoother? Take a look in the mirror right now. You look taller again. Very good.
And now I'm gonna need another outfit. I need more clothes.
Yeah, that's a good excuse to go buy some new clothes, huh?
Right.
How's
No,
your
seriously.
low back feel better right now?
Oh yeah.